Dear students, hope you all are fine. Today I'll be taking in this video only one particular item of the balance sheet asset side. You know, in the asset side of the company balance sheet, as per latest format, there is the main heading is non-current asset, and under non-current asset, the first item comes property, plant and equipment. Property, plant and equipment, right? And under property, plant and equipment, four items are there. One is tangible asset, then intangible asset, then capital work in progress, and then intangible asset under development. Dear students, I'll be focusing on only one single item here, that is intangible asset. What is intangible asset? You know, there are two types of assets. One is tangible, other is intangible. You know this. Suppose this is an asset. We can see this, we can touch it. There's a weight, there's a color, maybe there is a smell. So this is a physical existence. This is tangible asset. But dear students, there are certain assets which do not have any shape, do not have any color, do not have any smell, or do not have any weight, but these have got existence. These assets are colorless, shapeless, then smellless, invisible, untouchable, and weightless, but these assets are not existenceless. These assets are not existenceless. These are there. We cannot see, but you can feel. These help the business. These help the institution in earning revenue, earning profit. These assets are intangible assets. So you can say intangible asset is an asset that is non-physical in nature. Okay. For example, goodwill. You know, goodwill means good name. Goodwill means reputation of the business, reputation of the organization. And this goodwill helps the business to sell more, to earn more profits, to get loan from the financial institutions, to get credit in the market, and to, you know, you can do a lot of things with goodwill. If your reputation is there, you can do a lot of things with goodwill. This goodwill is an asset, and this goodwill is an non-tangible, non-current asset, means fixed asset. It's coming under property, plant and equipment. So goodwill is an example of intangible asset, right? Goodwill is an example of intangible asset. There is no doubt about it. And we cannot see goodwill, but goodwill is there, untouchable, invisible, smellless, colorless, weightless, shapeless, but not existenceless. The common thing between tangible asset and intangible asset is that what is common in between them? Existence. Both are existent. These are there. But tangible asset you can see, touch, weight, you can take the weight, smell may be there. But intangible asset you cannot see, touch. So goodwill is an intangible asset. It's a very, very powerful asset. We shall learn a lot of things about goodwill in future courses in other chapters. But today, goodwill I'm putting under the list of intangible asset, right? Goodwill is one of the examples of intangible asset. It's coming to the balance sheet asset side under the heading, say, intangible asset. But the thing is that goodwill is not the only asset which is intangible. There are a lot more examples of assets which are intangible. For example, next item is a brand recognition. A company may having a brand name, you know, then brand name, then intellectual property such as patent. Patent, suppose you have invented something, you have invented a technology, you have invented a medicine, a company has invented some new technology, new medicine, new something, you know, so that is a patent. That is right over the invention. And that patent, you know, you have to register. If you in your name, if you want to register your name, then you have to refer to Indian Patent Act 1970. According to Indian Patent Act 1970, you can register your invention under your name so that other person cannot use it. So that patent can be again purchased and sold. So that patent is an asset. That patent is an asset, but we cannot see that. That is intangible asset. Brand name, intangible asset. Then copyright, you have written a book, then publisher has published this book, and publisher will be giving you royalty on sale of this book. But this royalty you are getting, you are having a right to get the royalty, and that is copyright. There is a copyright on the book. So that is copyright. You are having the, suppose you are the author of a book. So you are having copyright on the book, but this copyright is going to give you income, profit, but you cannot see the copyright physically. This is intangible asset. Then patented technology. I told you about patented technology. Computer software that you can put under intangible asset, because you cannot see the software that is working, it is doing everything for you, isn't it? Computer software is a huge valued fixed asset or non-current asset coming under intangible asset. Then database and trade secrets, these are also intangible asset. You cannot sell out or you can share with others the trade secret that of the company where you're working, like that. The trade secrets are also asset, but you cannot see them. Trademark is an asset. Newspaper mastheads, the newspaper, that brand name is an asset, because that name is helping the organization to earn profit. Then internet domain, you know better about what is internet domain. So that is actually the main. You can see the laptop or computer what is there, but inside the power you cannot see. It's not physical. It's not. It is computer may be physical, computer may be tangible asset, but the software, that is intangible asset. Then video, audio, visual materials like motion pictures, television programs, like videos, like education videos, and many other. These things are also, you can see, but in the power you cannot see physically. So these are coming under intangible asset. So please write these things, and I'll be sharing with you a PDF also. And you study from other books also. You can study a lot about intangible asset. There's a very good concept of intangible assets, very useful, my important item in the company balance sheet, asset side, or in any organization. These intangible assets are very, very important. Thank you very much. So stay blessed always, stay safe always, and stay fit always. Thank you.